Okay squad, Android Impress, what we're gonna do today is another high energy gaming build. We went with an AM5 DDR5 RTX 4070 Ti. The theme behind this is gonna be white, black, and I think we went with yellow or gold if you wanted to. There's a case that goes with that, which is basically a Demon Slayer label case, but it's an Asus TUF GT501 if I'm not mistaken, and that's gonna have a lot of RGB in there so that we can stick to that theme. All right, let's do it. Okay squad, what we have is the final product. This is the Asus TUF Demon Slayer case. We stuck with yellow, black, and white RGB. What we put inside was the ROG Strix B650 gaming motherboard with a Ryzen 9 7900X3D, 32 gigs of DDR5. Don't forget that 2TB Western Digital Black NVMe. All of that is cooled off by that liquid cooler, that Liquid Arctic 240mm, the RGB label, as well as that PNY RTX 4070 Ti. All of that put together, this is what you got. We did want to put a little bit of RGB in there, just in case. You can change these colors anytime. Ha! There you go. And if you need guidance, all you have to do, pick up that phone, 281-647-9977.